Hello everyone. Hello. My name is Mohammad Junaid Malik. Today we are doing debate here on a topic. Topic is that we should learn second language or not. In my perception, we should not learn second language because there are so many disadvantages. First, if we learn second language, so there is no use of second language. And what is the use of language? What is the use of any language, whether it is Hindi or Urdu? What is the use of language? Language we use to communicate with other people. We use language, and if something is written, for reading that we use language so that I can get to know what is it written. And for communicate we use language. First I would like to mention about communicate. If we want to communicate with other people, like if we want to communicate people who live in other country, so I can use devices. There are so many devices like hold devices there, and means more than 200 languages you can get in this device. You can translate face to face, and more than 200 languages you cannot learn by yourself. And what is happening that if you use this device, so you need not to pay this much money in 200 rupees, 250 rupees on Flipkart. You can purchase this device. It is not costly on Flipkart, 250 rupees. And if you learn language, so what will happen that means nearest means if you learn Japanese language, so you will have to go Noida for learning Japanese language. You will go Noida for learning Japanese language. After that you will have to spend 20,000 rupees for learning. But if you purchase this device, so directly in 250 rupees you can get to learn more than 200 languages you can study. Second thing, if something is written and you would like to get to know that what it is, so there are so many applications in the mobile like Google Lens is there, and other applications are also there by which you can get to know that what it is written. And second thing I would like to mention that if we learn second language, so we will have to waste our money, we will have to waste our time, because what happens, nearest tuition of Japanese language, it is available in Noida. Means will we go Noida daily? And listen, Japanese language, it is too much hard to learn, but by the device we can learn easily. There is no use of second language. There is no, means we will waste our time if we learn second language. I don't think there is no.
So, first of all, everyone get ready for War of the Words, a clash of ideas, and the celebration of human spirit. So, today we all are doing debate here on a very amazing and very extraordinary topic, which is about the second language. That should we learn second language or not? So, well, in my perception, that yes, of course, we should learn second language. That do you know that we should learn all the things in our life, whether it is useful for us or it is useless for us. We should learn all the things. So, however, we should learn second language as well in our life, because we don't know about our future. That maybe it will be beneficial for us or maybe it will be useless for us. So definitely I am sure that it will be beneficial for us, because we can get a lot of benefits from the second language. Like we can increase our brain power from the second language. Because of the second language we can increase our brain power. How can I increase? Okay, if I talk about the bilingual students, what is bilingual students? Bilingual students are those students who can speak two languages, who speak two languages. That is called bilingual students. So bilingual students concentrate well, better, and they can ignore all the distractions more effectively compared to those who speak only two language, who speak only one language, that is monolingual. Because the language center in our brain is more effective and more flexible. We can learning a second language can increase the area of language center in our brain. So because of the second language, you can also see that because of the second language we can increase our brain, we can increase our center in our brain, language center, and through which we can easily get to know about all the things.
Okay, she is saying that we should learn all the things because that will be beneficial for us. Like this sister, means there are more than 7,000 languages. You should learn all the languages. You should waste your time.
No,
Why no?
do you know
are
that
saying all
English
the things.
English is an international language? If we learn English language, then definitely all the countries it will beneficial for you. If you learn
Okay.
English language,
Okay.
English language is a second language, not first language.
English language is second language.
Yeah.
Okay, I agree. Listen, in the India, what is happening that if you know English, you are going to you are going to China. So will you speak English? Will you go to shop that you will speak that give me this thing in English? Will they understand? Definitely not. if
They can
someone
understand because English is an international language.
they are illiterate.
They-
Listen, take the example of India. If someone is coming in India from abroad, so what will happen? He will go to shop and he will say that give me this thing in English, and shopkeeper is illiterate. How will he understand? She will say
So
that.
that's why I'm saying that he also learned second language because they can't face it.
What is the use of second language?
I'm saying okay. So because of the second. Because of the second language, we can hear a lot of things. Even we can reduce many more diseases which is connected our brain. That is dementia. Dementia is one type of a disease. Like Alzheimer disease. Alzheimer disease is one of the most common disease cause of dementia disease. If we reduce dementia disease, then definitely Alzheimer disease can also reduce. What happens in dementia disease? In dementia, people can't concentrate well. People can't easily concentrate well. People can't easily solve all the problems के. And ये people can lose their memory because of the dementia. So we can reduce their dementia because of the second language.
Okay, we can reduce our dementia. So if it
Dementia,
is good, if
you don't
it is
know, I
good,
know.
really if it happens. So most of the people, listen, they will not take medicines. They will learn second language if they have any diseases.
No,
they will
have
learn
any.
if
I'm
they
not
want
saying
to
have
become.
any.
Listen, let me tell. If they want to become intelligent, according to her, they will not learn other things. They will learn second language.
Okay,
It
I'm not
happens.
saying that.
And
I'm
according
not
to her,
language.
listen, let me complete. What happens in the India? There are so many languages. 7,000 languages are available in the world. So if a person wants to become intelligent, he and she, they will miss people. They will learn second language. Then they will become they will become intelligent. What happens if you want to become intelligent? So what is the use of language? Accept it. Nothing. You miss for communication skill. You use language. And what happens if we are using language? So there is no use of language. If we are speaking in English, we can speak in Hindi, we can speak in Urdu. What is the use of language? If you want to become intelligent, so you should learn a subject.
I'm not saying that we can reduce all the diseases which we get. We can't reduce. I am just saying that dementia is also one type of the disease through which we can get a lot of problems.
Okay, now I would like to give answer to
Yeah.